Well, we're heading down New Priest Grade. Steve's doing very well so far. The rust is coming off his joints and he's making the turns. Trailer seems to be doing just fine. So heading out for our trip to Missouri by way of Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. And whatever states are in between Texas and Missouri. You'd have to look at a map. I'm not well versed on the Midwest. Central US. So I think we're going to try to make Tucson today. That's our goal. Or maybe Joshua Tree, maybe. Something like that. So far so good. We're only like 5 miles out from our starting point. You good? Feeling good?
Had me a little frustrated.
Alright, we slept in some little gas station right off the road. We couldn't make it to Needles. It got really late. It was like 1:30. And I think it's Fenner or Fennel, California. It's like a dirt lot. We paid, it was like $10 per car, or if you bought something in the store, the little snack shop, for $15, they let you park both cars. And so it was just a dirt lot. Got some pictures of it. There was a lot of like that Route 66 stuff, which to me is beginning to look like just a bunch of crap. So I don't see any romance there. It just looked like some kind of a sad nostalgia. So anyway, we're gonna head to Needles, try to get something to drink or eat at McDonald's, find some decent facilities, and then I think we can make Texas today. That's our goal, to get to Texas. About 5 hours sleep, and Steve wants to wash his truck and his Jeep, get the dirt off from the dirt lot and bugs from the road, and then we're going to try to find a place for tonight that has electricity and water and services, utilities, and then I think we're going to make a good meal. So last night was just getting on the road, and I think we've accomplished that. So now we're going to try to enjoy the rest of the trip in terms of slowing down just a tad and making sure we get sleep and eat right and that sort of thing. So we're not completely hell-bent on getting to Texas within 3 days, but I think we'll make it anyway. So well, we had a blowout on the trailer while we were heading south towards Phoenix. So our goal of getting to Las Cruces by sometime this evening may be out the window. So we've put the spare on, or I should say Steve put the spare on, and it's kind of a group effort. And I I think we're going to try to make it to Tucson today. And we may get tires in the meantime. So we're just still trying to sort all this out. We're not sure. But it's a beautiful country out here. It's quite arid. So I'm drinking a lot of water just to kind of stay well hydrated. But I think we're almost ready to hit the road again. So I think we got all the pieces put back together. Yeah. And there was a little bit of damage to, let's see, it's the left side of the trailer. Steve, what's your assessment of the damage?
Could have been worse.
All right.
Could have been better. Could have been worse.
Not much, not too bad.
Well, it's crappy.
Nothing functional got damaged, just that fender, really?
Aluminum siding, steel siding, whatever it is.
All right. And you don't think it's going to affect the function of the slide outs at all?
No.
All right.
It just didn't.
There you have it.
The poop tube.
Report from the man on the scene. All right. Take care. I always knew you should be working in a tire store.
Yeah.
You missed your true calling, Steve. I can't do anything because I'm retired.
Huh.
Oh shit. Got the right number of holes? All right. False alarm. We're getting the real experience.
Hey, go get me the tire iron real quick. That red thing that was in the box. Please.
So a little bit of unhappiness here. You know, I'm smelling gas. Is you sure the gas thingy is okay? Oh, there's no gas in this. That was a trick question. Oh no, there is, huh? Is that diesel? Oh, now I'm asking dumb questions on camera. That's bad.
Are you talking to yourself, Dave?
Yeah, here. Is there gas in here or not? It looks like a gas cap though, right? This doesn't have a motor. So why would there be gas here? Except that it's a toy hauler,
Yes.
and it has gasoline.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Answer your own question.
That's right. That's me.
That is you.
All right, Steve. I need some flexing while you do this. Give us the army equivalent of the hoorah. Is it a grunt? What is the noise?
Head up ass.
Head up ass. I'm not sure what that means. What? I can't hear you.
If you see somebody carrying a plant to replace the oxygen they're stealing, then you may have found a hua.
You want me to hit the brakes?
Not yet.
Okay.
A little second. Yeah, you need the brakes.
All right. Go ahead. Go. Oh, wait, stop. Wait, I got chocks on the other side. Forgot about this. Little safety mechanism. Okay. All right. Yeah, don't go much further. Stop. All right, I think you're good. Steve, tell me your story.
So my brother takes us on Highway 17 from Flagstaff down
Interstate
to
17.
Flagstaff down to Phoenix.
Yep.
Except that route's a lot like Tehachapi Pass in California, except obviously the road freezes in the winter and there's expansion, so the road's very bumpy. Which
So what happened?
we blew out a tire on the fifth wheel.
Right. And how old is the tire?
That doesn't matter.
6 years.
No,
6-year-old tires, and he wants to blame me on the choice of the route. Come on. That's weak.
10 wouldn't have caused the problem.
That's weak. Completely weak.